This video will guide you through the installation of a Firefly 2.0 in your switchboard and its setup on your phone. On installing Firefly 2.0, you can control up to 2 lights from your phone over Wi-Fi. You can also set schedules so that the lights will automatically turn on and off at the time you choose. To install a Firefly 2.0, you will require the Firefly device, 2 pieces of 1 square mm wire, which will be used as AC input wires, a tester, a screwdriver, pliers, and wire strippers. On your Firefly device, you will find the neutral and live AC input terminals and 2 output load terminals. The first one is load 1 and the second one is load 2. There are 2 switch wires labeled 1 and 2. Switch wire 1 goes to the first switch and switch wire 2 goes to the second switch. One of the 2 switch wires will also be labeled as primary. Using the wire strippers, strip the ends of both the switch wires on your Firefly device. Using a screwdriver or tester, connect one end of the 2 wires to the neutral and live AC input terminals on your Firefly device. At this point, you should have a wire connected to the neutral and live AC input terminals. The 2 load terminals should be empty and the ends of the 2 switch wires should be stripped. Now, let us head to the switchboard which has the switches you would like to automate. On the switchboard, identify the switches which you would like to automate. Turn off the main power supply to the switchboard. Remove the outer panel of the switchboard. Unscrew the switchboard to gain access to the wiring. Inside the switchboard, identify the 2 switches which you want to automate. Identify the live wire. It is usually the wire which is connecting all the switches in the switchboard. In case you are unable to identify it, switch on the main power supply to the switchboard and use a tester to locate it. Remember to turn off the main power supply once you identify the live wire. Next, identify the load wires. One terminal of your switch is connected to the live wire and the other to the load wire. This would be the wire connecting the switch to the light bulb. Let us call one wire load 1 and the other load 2. Finally, identify the neutral wire, which is usually black in color. We will now connect the 2 load wires which you have identified on the switchboard to the 2 load terminals on your Firefly device. We will also connect the 2 switch wires from your Firefly device to the 2 load terminals on the switchboard. Remove the wire identified as load 1 and connect it to the load 1 terminal on your Firefly device. After this, connect switch wire 1 from your Firefly device to the load 1 terminal on the switchboard. Repeat the same for the second load. Connect the neutral wire from your Firefly device to the neutral wire in your switchboard. Connect the live wire from your Firefly device to the live wire in the switchboard. At this point, you should have the neutral terminal on Firefly connected to the neutral wire in the switchboard. The live terminal on Firefly connected to the live wire in the switchboard. Switch wire 1 from Firefly connected to the load 1 terminal on the switchboard and switch wire 2 from Firefly connected to the load 2 terminal on the switchboard. Over here, identify the primary switch. This is the switch with the primary tag. Also, the 2 load wires from the switchboard should be connected to the load terminal on your Firefly device. Ensure that all the exposed wires are insulated. Make space inside the switchboard, place your Firefly device within, and close the switchboard. Turn on the main power supply to the switchboard. Operate the switches to check if the lights are working. If the lights are working, you have successfully completed the wiring of your Firefly device. Let us now set up your Firefly device to work from your phone. Download the Firefly Connect app from the Play Store or the App Store. Ensure that your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi network and data is turned off. Launch the app. Click the Add Home button and enter a home name. The app will automatically detect your home Wi-Fi network name. Verify this and click the Save button on the top right corner. Now, click the Add Room button on your app. Enter a room name and select New Device. Turn on and off the primary switch that was identified earlier 5 times to enter configuration mode. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone. You will see a new network named Firefly. Connect to this network. Go back to the Firefly Connect app, verify your home Wi-Fi network name and enter your Wi-Fi password. Click the Save button on the top right corner. After 30 seconds, you will receive a confirmation that the room has been added successfully. This means that your Wi-Fi network name and password have been saved to your Firefly device. Click on Done. The first time your app is connecting to the Firefly device, the Firefly logo will flash on the screen. Once connected, the switches will appear on your screen. The switches can be controlled by clicking on the square toggle button. Now, you should be able to control both the lights from your phone. That completes the installation and setup of your Firefly 2.0. For more information, visit www.fireflyautomation.in. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a smarter home.